welcome to LS Engine Kings by Performance Unlimited. Again, another one of our phenomenal LS engines. All quality parts. Start out with a brand new block. Got a full forged rotating assembly in here. Hand filed rings, AFR heads. Everything is amazing pieces. This has been custom painted like a maroonish type color. Looks fantastic. Got a full bolt march. Got the Flytech on here. And we got the Chevy valve covers. These are going to have remote coil packs off to the sides. Fantastic. This one just got done making 730 horsepower, 620 foot-pounds of torque. Again, if there's anything we can help you with, give us a call at 1-800-267-3940. Thank you. All right, Evan, I got your 1956 Chevy here, LS3, 427 EFI. Fire it up, Matty.